Get ready as the entire snacking community returns to Orlando, Florida in March for the highly anticipated SNAXPO25. SNAXPO is the only trade show exclusively for the snack industry that covers the entire supply chain and showcases an exhibit hall full of manufacturing and packaging equipment you can see in action, specialty ingredients, flavors and seasonings, and more.
SNAXPO is unique because it brings together multiple parties and constituents from within the snack industry. So you have manufacturers, you have brands, you have suppliers, and for us, like as a new brand and an emerging brand, that interaction has been priceless. I mean, we can access and connect with people from all different companies within different levels of those companies. And so we are really meeting the people that we need to and forming relationships, making connections, and really also hearing their experience. They've been in this business for a really long time and are very generous with what they're sharing with us as a new brand, but among the other brands as well.
SNAXPO offers an exciting experience for the global snacking community, featuring 3 days of invaluable education, unparalleled networking, and the latest products, tools, equipment, and technology designed to enhance production, sourcing, and distribution for maximum snack profitability.
So I've been participating at SNAXPO for 25 years now. And every time I come here, I find great opportunities to learn something new. We've been talking lately about sustainability, about artificial intelligence. We keep learning no matter if it's your first time, your 10th time, or your 25th time. I have folks here that been attending for 40 years. Hey, it's amazing. You can always learn something relevant to go back to your business and create that competitive edge that you need to grow and win on the shelf.
As an attending snack producer, you will experience hands-on demos of state-of-the-art snack manufacturing equipment, discover emerging ingredients, seasonings, and flavors, and ready-to-eat snacks and co-manufacturing services, observe packaging machinery in action, and explore new packaging materials, and find solutions for R&D and quality assurance, transportation and logistics, operations and food safety software, marketing, and more. Nothing rivals the value of in-person networking for staying ahead, getting answers, and forming key partnerships. Join the entire community for impactful conversations with diverse leaders, experts, and exhibitors, empowering you to make informed decisions for your business. Learn exclusive strategies to capitalize on changing consumer appetites. Meet partners to decrease your overhead as you enter new markets. Get informed on food regulations that could impact your processes moving forward. And hear insights on the latest research and trends impacting the snack industry.
Yeah, SNAXPO, what I really look at is its relationships. You're not going to get any type of relationships at any other trade show that you're going to build here. I try and tell vendors or even other brands that aren't members that you can go to any other trade show for 20 years in a row and year 20 is going to feel like year one. But when you come here and you're part of the family of Snack International, year 20, you're gonna have friends, you're gonna have real relationships, you're gonna know their families, and you're gonna know the executives that are running the companies of major organizations, and you don't get that anywhere else.
Truly an international event. Snack producers from all over the world know this is a can't-miss event. Embrace the excitement of being present. Visit snaxpo.com to start your SNAXPO experience today.